So the first response, I was like, my eyes started like tearing down, and it just like, my heart started pounding hard, and I was like shocked, you know, I have, you know, one day I'm gonna clear my name. Like, give me hope.
The Algerian-born Mohammed Harkat won a significant victory in his fight to avoid deportation on Wednesday. The Federal Court of Appeal threw out pivotal evidence that would have placed him with terrorist ties to Osama bin Laden and as part of the 9/11 plot to bomb the World Trade Center.
CSIS had, by misinterpreting their own enabling policy, had basically destroyed all original evidence of alleged conversations involving Mohammed, and we were faced with a case where really just the remnants and tatters of these conversations were led as evidence against Mohammed.
Those phone records obtained by CSIS have since been destroyed, and the Court of Appeal said it's unconstitutional to use that evidence, which is now not available, against Mohammed Harkat.
We believe this will have a profound effect for the good of our client. Because what we're now asked to do is basically have the case reconsidered by the federal court in light of the fact that the Federal Court of Appeal has said all of that evidence should have been excluded.
At a press conference, Harkat said he was overjoyed to hear the news.
So basically, they just want to give me a hope to clear my names and to survive another day, and to be with my family and my support here. And so what the future gonna hold, one day I'm gonna clear my names and give me hope, you know, justice prevail one day.
While the case will now go back to trial, Harkat said there is now a light at the end of the tunnel, and he sees an end to his more than 10-year struggle against the courts. However, Harkat's lawyers say there's still a very long road ahead of him.
It's not over, but at least one day I'm gonna see the light at the end of the tunnel. It's just a matter of time to clear my names and to clear my names.
Harkat and his wife Sophie hope that once this is behind them, they can finally settle down and have a family. He's currently under strict house arrest and is monitored by a GPS and can't leave Ottawa for more than 8 hours.
I'm not only fighting for my husband, I'm also fighting for due process, which is very important. And God knows how long this is going to last for us. But the important thing is that with time, I'm sure justice will prevail.
While the federal government can still appeal the decision of the Court of Appeal, his lawyers hope that this is one step in the right direction. For the Ottawa Sun, this is Michael Aubry.
Hi. We'll see you guys.